Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and then in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a frame mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my image over here. So to create a frame mockup, I'll start by right-clicking here and then select the rectangle tool over here. With my rectangle tool active, just have to left click and hold and then drag to draw a rectangle. So with this done, right click the rectangles layer, just right click and then select convert to smartphone. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Press Command T in case you're using MacBook, and then if you're on Windows it's Control T. So with this done, right click again and then select distort. Let's zoom in again. Hold down your command key or your control key. Left click and hold and then drag it. Let's put this side to the right corner. Like this, okay. Hold down the command or control key again. Left click and hold and then drag this side to the left corner. Now let's push to the bottom part. Over here to hold down your command or control key. Left click and hold and then drag to the bottom left corner. Let's do the same thing for the bottom right corner. Also hold down your command or control key. Left click and hold and then drag it here. Something like this is okay. Yes. Once you are done, just select this over here. Okay. Now let's change the blend mode of our rectangles layer from normal to multiply. The reason why you change it from normal to multiply is that you want these shadows. There's some kind of slightly shadows in our frame over here. So I want it to stay on our image for it to look more realistic. Okay. So with that done, just left click, double click at the Smart Object thumbnail over here, bottom right corner. Just double click it. It will open a new worksheet for you. So this new worksheet open, just drag and drop your image onto this worksheet. Press Command T or Control T. Just resize your image to fit this particular worksheet over here. So with this done, what we'll do is if you're on Mac, press Command S to save. I think on Windows it's Control S. So pressing it so that it will load over here and then it saves. Already saved now. Once it's done, just go back to the main image so that we have been able to create our frame mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So here is the before and then here is the after. Okay guys, so this is how to create a frame mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and then share with others. And also in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.